So here is your 2026 roadmap. These are the 5 areas that create visibility, build trust, and drive more repeat business. If I owned an appliance repair company today, these are the 5 areas I'd focus on first. None of these are revolutionary, but together, they create a stronger foundation for long-term growth. The first one is improve review generation. Make reviews a consistent part of your process, because the more reviews you builds trust and improves the visibility of your appliance repair company. It strengthens your Google business profile. Keep your profile complete, accurate, and active so that it can drive visibility, trust, and more direct phone calls to your business. You want to work on building your customer database so you can own your audience, you can stay connected, and create opportunities for repeat business. Do you have a customer database right now? Whether it's in your dispatch software or even on a simple Excel spreadsheet, you need to have a customer database. Then you need to stay visible between service calls, because you did a good job on one appliance, it's only a matter of time before the next appliance breaks. And you want to be the company that gets that phone call again. You can use helpful content, reminders, and seasonal outreach to stay top of mind with your happy customers. And then you need to focus on consistency. Small, consistent action create long-term results. Momentum comes from showing up. These 5 focus areas build a foundation for stronger visibility and long-term growth in 2026 and beyond.